Hey everyone, I'm Clayton Morris. The demand for housing, new construction, and just houses in general is off the charts. Most of the country right now facing a shortage of inventory. I'm out here in Idaho right now touring some areas because I wanted to see all of this new construction that's happening, the demand for the housing. Come on, let's take a little tour. Now we're going to check out a ton of houses today, but I want to be very clear, I'm not investing for cash flow in any of these. I just want to see firsthand the demand for all of this housing that exists right now across the country. So many people scrambling. Builders cannot keep up with the demand, which is great for us as rental investors because a lot of people are, well, there is no new construction for being, in rental markets, and there's an incredible demand for rental housing. So these types of houses, as soon as they're being built, they're either being pre-sold or they're selling within a few weeks when they're sitting on the open market. So I want to take a look at some of this construction because it is just popping up everywhere, and some of these only take they're building them in about 4 months. Walking some new construction. This one's about 2 weeks away from being done. I always love looking at these at the last minute because they seem like, oh my gosh, this is another 4 or 5 weeks, but a lot of this is just cleanup at the last minute here. This one took about 4 to 5 months for this one to come across the finish line. So right now, just inside about 2 more weeks, and then landscaping on the outside. Doing an amazing job. Check out one that was pre-sold. It was actually sold before it was even completed. Gorgeous. It looks very similar floor plan to one that we just saw. Sprinklers on. So that last one that we saw was about 2 weeks away from looking like this. Here's another 4-bedroom going up, just being framed. Here we are at another property. I think we're on the 16th house I've looked at this morning. Started at 6 a.m. So this one we're right now taking a look at all the mudding that's going on. Drywall is going in. These guys are doing an exceptional job, taking it about seven or 8 days to get the full drywall done on here. But I always love looking at the drywall guys on the stilts. So let's go check them out. They're doing great work.